This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and enabling Kubernetes in Docker Desktop. Install the latest Docker Desktop, sign in, then open Preferences and toggle Kubernetes on. This creates a single node cluster. Once done, Docker restarts and provisions kubelet, kubeproxy, and control plane components locally. Make sure virtualization, or WSL2, is enabled on Windows, or the hypervisor framework is set on Mac OS, because those ensure stable container execution and networking for the cluster. You next configure kubectl and deploy an application. Install or use the bundled kubectl that matches the cluster API version, then run kubectl config usecontext Docker Desktop so your commands target the local cluster. Once set, verify with kubectl cluster info and kubectl get nodes. Deploy a manifest. Kubectl apply f deployment. YAML, then kubectl expose or use kubectl port forward to reach the service. This sequence ensures your images, service types, and kubeconfig align with Docker Desktop's single node. You finish by tuning resources and validating workloads. Open Docker Desktop resources to increase CPUs, memory, or disk if pods are OOM killed or slow, because the single node cluster shares host limits. For problems, inspect logs. Kubectl describe pod and kubectl logs, and use Docker Desktop's logs and troubleshoot menu to collect diagnostics. If state is irrecoverable, reset Kubernetes or recreate the cluster. Make sure to export needed manifests and images first so you can restore workloads quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.